Imagine a bird that spends years in the sky and barely ever touches the ground. That's the common swift, nature's restless wanderer. These birds eat in the air, drink in the air, and yes, even sleep while flying. Their wings are built like ancient arrows. Long napunsinchun schur zombings, while your dulcendaro. Narrow, made for endless motion. Some swifts stay airborne for 10 months straight, riding winds the way sailors ride waves. They only land to lay eggs, then they're back in the clouds again. So while we walk the earth, swifts live their lives in the open sky. A reminder that freedom isn't a place, it's a way of moving.